Hello there, my name is Etho, and welcome to Blockbuster Tutorial Series. This is a preceding amendment to Episode 1. Today I'll be explaining how to use scenes.
And I won't talk like that for the rest of the video. What makes scenes so special is when recording in it, the data of that recording goes into a folder instead of a director block. By going into the World folder, select Blockbuster, and then Scenes, you'll find your preset scenes in .dat files. The best part is you can transfer these files across worlds. But of course, before we can do that, we must learn how to use scenes. I want to quickly make a note of all keybinds I use in this video. Pressing 0 opens the Blockbuster menu. Right control plays a selected scene or director block, and right alt records an actor. You can configure these in the Controls tab. Now with that out of the way, let us begin. To access the Scenes menu, go into the dashboard, which should be by pressing 0, select Director Block, and then click on the text for Director Blocks to switch into the Scenes menu. If you have no Director Blocks in the world, it'll already be on Scenes by default. Now Scenes is pretty similar to Director Blocks when it comes to creating a recording, so you shouldn't have too much trouble in the beginning. We just make a scene, create a replay, pick a morph, record it, and you're done. So now, just by using keybinds and scenes, I created an entire recording without a director block or a playback button. It's much more efficient. But what happens if you have an entire recording done, but it's in a director block? Don't worry, there's a way to convert them into scenes. Just go into Scenes, switch to Director Blocks, select the director block you want to convert, and click on this little arrow on the top right. Type out a fancy new name for your fancy new scene, and there you go. The next thing we'll learn is how to link scenes with a playback button so you can use Aperture with it. Grab yourself a playback button, and while holding it, enter the Scenes menu. Click on this button that says Attach. Now your scene is linked with the playback button, and you can use it with Aperture. The last thing we'll cover before showing how to transfer scenes is duplicating. All you need to do is select a scene, click on the double plus symbol, and name your new scene. There's another feature within duplicating as well. If you delete all the IDs of a scene before duplicating, whatever you rename it, it'll autofill into every replay ID. Finally, transferring scenes. It's pretty simple. Just grab your scenes in the Scenes folder, go into another world, Blockbuster, and then transfer them into that world's Scenes folder. Just note that if you haven't made any scenes in that world, the folder won't show.
Well, that's pretty much it. I hope the tutorial was clear enough. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, or join McHorse's Discord, which is in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.